Hello everybody and welcome to a new video here on MedSolut Today we're going to have a manufacturer interview again and we want you to get to know Nabertherm and their products. First of all, at the beginning, before talking about Nabertherm in general, let me introduce to you my interview partner of the day, and I think he could do it the best way.
Hi Vincent. First of all, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to introduce Nabertherm to our mutual customers. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Hanno Hartmann. I'm the sales manager of the laboratory division here at Nabertherm, and I have been working at Nabertherm for 7 years.
To paint you a picture of what Nabertherm is doing, we could use their claim: 30 to 3000 degrees more than heat. And this is what all of their products are about. They were founded in 1947 in Bremen and are operating meanwhile out of Lilienthal. In the beginning they were producing pottery kilns and dental furnaces, but started early with producing the first laboratory furnaces. And in the early 70s, they managed it to develop the first high temperature furnace, offering a temperature of more than 1600 degrees centigrade. But the question is, how is it looking today?
Well, today Nabertherm still manufactures all furnaces here in Lilienthal, Lower Saxony near Bremen, all made in Germany. With more than 500 employees, more than 7,500 furnaces are manufactured each year. 800 standard ovens and customized solutions are part of the Nabertherm product range. Over 70 development engineers ensure that current market requirements can always be met. Germany as a location will continue to be upheld in order to justify Nabertherm's role as a market leader in the area of design, quality and price-performance ratio. This is also reflected in the expansion of the production area, which began this year in March by 3,600 square meters up to in total 25,000 square meters of production. Nabertherm sees itself well prepared for the future to continue their commitment as reliable partner to our dealers and to our end customers.
So now that you are into that, it is important as well to get you to know the products more in detail and to have a short overview about the product portfolio.
Naturally, the top sellers in the lab are our muffle furnaces of the LE and LT series. They are the all-rounder in the lab, have an unbeatable price-performance ratio and can be used for various standard applications in the lab. In particular, our wide range of standard tube furnaces with or without a gas supply package for non-flammable or flammable gases has been used in countless laboratories around the world for many years. Alongside this, we also have various chamber, annealing, convection ovens or ovens. In addition, we also offer tailor-made solutions in the fields of metal, thermal process technology, foundries, technical ceramics, and standard ovens for the dental and arts and crafts sector.
So now that we know the products, the question is, why should they be the choice? In general, Nabertherm is known for its high quality standards in production and service. It happens from time to time, as I've been told, that customers ask for spare parts of over 30-year-old products. And as well, as I mentioned, they point the focus on service, as we do by the way, so if you require some, make sure to check out our service on medsolut.com. But as we do, they as well deliver the service worldwide.
Well, we already have a very high degree of internationalization. Our export share is over 70%. Nabertherm furnaces have been used in more than 150 countries around the world for many years. Due to the high degree of internationalization, we are very well diversified and can compensate for weaknesses in certain countries with good economic conditions in other countries. The same applies to the industries. With our very wide portfolio, we basically supply all industries, from automotive, aviation, pharmaceuticals, metal to the newly won 3D printing industries. The fact that we are neither dependent on certain markets nor on certain sectors is ultimately the key to our success.
Well, if it is this way, there needs to be something special about the products. And this is why we've been asking Nabertherm what they would highlight about them and what distinguishes their products. This is what they were answering.
As a manufacturer, Nabertherm has the widest and deepest range of furnaces in the world. We have developed into one of the leading and largest furnace manufacturers, which is constantly developing and establishing innovations on the market through one of the largest R&D departments in the furnace industry. We have consistently removed fiber materials that have been classified as slightly carcinogenic and substituted them. This not only applies to the laboratory range, but also to the industrial range. We are possibly still the only manufacturer who only uses insulation materials that are not classified as carcinogenic and are in accordance with regulation EC number 1272/2008 CLP.
Nabertherm used the time during the COVID pandemic to develop something new. There is a new invitation that is going to be released this year. And Mr. Hartmann wasn't that willing to tell me what he is talking about, but in a sense of investigation, I've been asking him if he could give us a little sneak preview, and this is what he was saying.
Not yet. I'm sorry. In the third quarter or last quarter of this year, we will be launching our new products, and then anyone get to know our exciting and thrilling news.
Okay, so I think we just need to wait until the end of 2021 or the last quarter, and luckily it isn't that far away. If you aren't able to wait until you could get some additional information, make sure to check out medsolut.com. There is an article waiting just for you at our blog on the website. As well, if you're interested in some more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel, to hit the bell, and to watch the next video. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day.